Hi, what I want to show you here is the Vitafox DV480 document camera. As you can see, this is what we would call a desktop or platform document camera. It has a large base, it has dual lighting, adjustable camera head here. What's great about this is that it is a platform document camera at a portable document camera price, $499. With this, you have all the controls laid out right in front, very easy to read, large buttons, little cheat sheet up here telling you what everything does. And you have a variety of inputs and outputs in the back, including a video scaler and a microphone input. So this is a presentation tool, not just a document camera. Again, this is the brand Vitafox. It doesn't have the recognition of some of the other bigger names out there, but you're getting a quality camera at a great price, much lower than the competition. 2 megapixel camera sensor, 720p output, 96x zoom. Again, this is a great presentation tool. Have any questions, please give us a call at 866-942-6273 or email at sales@touchboards.com. Again, the Vitafox DV480. Take care.